white jacket and a thick accent. Like, maybe it's all in my head, but I bet we'd have really good bed. How you pick me up, pull down, tell me around, now it just makes sense. And you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's that. How you looking at me, I know what that means, and I'm obsessed. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. Come right on me, I mean camaraderie. Said you're not in my time zone, but you wanna be. Where art thou? Why not upon of me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy. Who's the cute guy with the wide blue eyes and the big bad